To stop videos from automatically playing on the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Useful Features, and then tap the blue on-off switch next to Allow Auto Play Videos until the switch turns gray to turn it off. When this option is off, Samsung Internet app will not automatically play videos on the currently open web page. However, if you like to watch the video, you have to play it manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.